Hi, I'm JC Pohl, and welcome to Teen Truth 365, Teen Truth's answer to the COVID crisis. If you are anything like us, we are sure that your heart is hurting for students and staff across this country. We know that COVID has turned education upside down, but we cannot let it stop us from building school culture and empowering student voice. Teen Truth 365 has been designed to give you the support that you need. Whether it's our virtual leadership summits, SEL curriculum training, or our virtual professional development workshops, we are there to walk with you every step of the way. At Teen Truth, we believe that school culture is all about the connections that our students and staff make. And whether it's via a Zoom call, a web conference call, or even via video, Teen Truth 365 is our effort to assist you and support you 365 days a year.